this update that Rajasthan's Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot is holding a cabinet meeting for the very first time at 7:30 p.m. after Sachin Pilot has been sacked along with two other ministers. Is this a strong messaging that the Gehlot government wants to put forward? Because there is still a bit of ambiguity when it comes to the numbers on the ground. The BJP have already challenged them, stating that if they do have the numbers, they should prove that on the floor of the House.
Congress definitely.
Well, of course, it's a strategy by the Gehlot government.
Is this to me? Am I to
No, this was to me, buddy.
All right, go ahead. Please go ahead.
Yes, Savio.
Right? Okay, it is obviously a strategy by the Gehlot government to encourage the Congress leaders that exist with him at this point of time that everything is all right. And that's perfectly all right as far as the strategy is concerned. What's really going to be important is the floor test, and that's the real challenge. So when Congress comes up to the floor test, we will know whether Congress has the number of seats or whether Sachin Pilot and his strategy will work out. So Congress can continue to do what it needs to do. It has sacked Sachin Pilot. You will see a lot of revolt happening from other Congress leaders who are close to Sachin Pilot within the next couple of hours, extending till tomorrow. You will have people resigning from the Congress party, and that is normal, that is going to be. But the fact of the matter is, the entire success of Gehlot's government will depend on the floor test, which I personally believe that they will lose.
All right, we'll also go across to Syed Asad Abbas. Abbas, what is your reading at this point? This seriously is a very big loss for the Congress at such a juncture. Within 4 months of time, losing first Jyotiraditya Scindia and now Sachin Pilot along with two other ministers being sacked. Is this not going to have its repercussions in the national level as well? And what are you reading at this point when it comes to the government formation in Rajasthan? Do the Congress really have the numbers?
Congress definitely have the numbers. The floor test shall come through, and no amount of horse trading, poaching, and any level of dirty tricks department of the Bharatiya Janata Party shall not work. What has happened with Sachin Pilot is unfortunate, but after time and again requesting him to join for the meet, he has not. Nothing comes before the party. It is always the party before individuals. Sachin Pilot, undoubtedly a young, dynamic leader, but it is very unfortunate the way things have meted out. But it is a creation of his own hands. And also there's a beautiful saying, there's enough for everybody's need, but not enough for anybody's greed. So that is a line.
But Abbas, is this not the creation of the Congress as well? Because if a leader of that stature who did make the Congress win in Rajasthan chooses to leave the party and the party sacks him at this point, is this not also a failure of the Congress?
It is absolutely not the failure of Congress. Sir, let me finish. I did not interrupt you. I did not interrupt you, sir. Allow me to finish. Thank you. So this is definitely not the failure because he did not abide by the party lines. When the party summoned him time and again, also made requests, many calls were made to him, messages were made to him from the High Command, he chose to ignore. He also chose to ignore, and there is this the good amount of stubbornness and a certain level of high-headedness which he showed to the High Command, and that is bound to come through because nothing over and bigger than the political party which you are a part of. You are only an individual in the political party. It is the party which has made you. So accordingly, that needs to come through. But if that is the case, he has met his results, and that is all I would say. Yes, sir. Please go ahead. You can respond.
I'll just come to you. Let's complete. Let Abbas complete his point.
The simple point I'm making here, ma'am,
is that... I'll go back to Savio now. Savio, we just heard what Abbas said. Do you agree to that? Do you agree to that he was out of line and he did not follow his party politics? Because this has not happened in a period of 48 hours or 24 hours, because this was ongoing since the beginning of the government formation, but there were differences of opinion, and in a way, the Congress High Command, it's a failure for them that they did not give the exact opportunities to a person who was more deserving of the Chief Minister's candidateship.
You see, Richa, at the end of the day, this gentleman, whatever his name is, I think Abbas, he's not a Congress member. He's not a part of the Congress officially. He's just a Congress supporter. You need to understand how the Congress works within the Congress. And I have a right to talk about it because at some point of time I was a part of it. And I left them on national television. The point is this. As long as the Gandhi Parivar, the Vadra Parivar continues to hold the Congress ransom, young leaders like Sachin Pilot, young leaders like Jyoti Aditya Scindia, young leaders who were a part of it like Jagmohan Reddy himself, you are going to have people wanting to move out of the Congress. The party is not above the person, I agree. Unfortunately in the Congress, the Gandhis are above the party. Please understand that, Abbas. You're not a part of the party, so you don't know the internal workings of the party. You need to understand that first. Go work a day in the party and understand that there is this complete belief in some of the slaves in the Congress that everything starts in Congress after the Gandhis. So a young leader like Sachin Pilot, who yes, made his career in the Congress, is looking at growing. He's looking at moving to the next level. He's looking at doing something for the state. He's looking at doing something for the country. Why is he being denied to do that? And an old horse like Ashok Gehlot, an old horse that is loyal to the family, who is more like a slave to the family, is been giving that position, while a talented person like Sachin is been relegated to a deputy CM. Wipe that smirk out of your face, Abbas. You don't know the party.
Could I respond?
You haven't worked in the party.
Yeah.
Could I respond? All right. In the case of Mr. Savio,
in fact, Savio,
I'm sure
we really know what exactly is on the mind of Sachin Pilot tomorrow at 10 a.m. when he addresses that press conference. I would like to thank both our guests, Savio as well as Abbas, for joining us here on Republic TV. We slip into a very short break. We'll come back.